How to make Bixby only respond to your voice on Samsung. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily set your Bixby that only responds to your voice. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your phone settings. And once you do that, just scroll down until you see advanced features. Just tap on it. Then you will see the Bixby right on top. You just have to head over to the Bixby's settings. So here are all of the recommended features. So what you need to do now is go ahead and scroll down. Now you're just gonna tap on voice wake up. And once you do so, you will see the wake up phrase. So if you say hi Bixby, it will wake it up. And if you choose this only, if you only say Bixby, it will wake up Bixby. But if you just want your Bixby to respond to your voice, just go ahead and turn on this icon right here. You will have to train Bixby for your voice. So go ahead and follow the on-screen commands here. Just tap on start and just speak the phrases that will be shown on the screen. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.